the cows themselves burp methane, which is a greenhouse gas. They're
It's very potent as well.
yes, it's a powerful greenhouse gas, the methane, and also the I can't come up with the words, their poop. But
The
yeah,
manure.
the manure, that's the correct way to say it. That's another environmental issue that causes water pollution, also contributes to carbon dioxide eventually to other forms of greenhouse gases. So there's a whole lot of things that contribute to it, but the sort of thing I try to use as a easy trick to think about, does it use a lot of land? Then it has usually a large carbon impact, a carbon footprint. And if it uses very little land, even if it comes from far away, like a banana, then it usually has a very small carbon footprint. So
yeah, sorry, go
yes,
on.
so that's why in the meat causes the majority of the emissions in the food system, and it's the easy one to reduce and solve.